Hey there, welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. Today I'm actually doing a quick video on applying the DTF stickers to a glass surface. So I did the acrylic keychains in my last video, which are just beautiful and still going great. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to apply to a glass tumbler. All right, so in the interest of time, I did go ahead and just cut these into smaller squares because it wouldn't wrap around the way I wanted it to. So let's see here. So we're just going to jazz this glass up a little bit. It's just a regular glass tumbler, and I wanted to just show you how quick and easy it is to add the DTF stickers. So you're just going to use your squeegee and rub the design on. All right, just make sure you're covering all the areas of the design, so when it's time to peel, you hopefully won't have any issues. I'm not going to tell you won't have any issues because sometimes it depends on who printed the stickers, is what I find. Some companies, the quality is much better than others. The adhesive is much better than others. So let's see here. We didn't have much issues adding this particular design to the keychain, so we shouldn't have a lot of issue adding it to the glass. All right. I'll speed up this video for a better user experience, so just stay tuned to see the finished product.